Welcome to the Enclave at Coral Ridge Country Club. More than a home, this is your Zen-inspired oasis. Designed to promote tranquility and well-being, this residence offers open spaces, serene garden patios, and breathtaking golf course views. Natural light fills every corner, creating the perfect setting to unwind and recharge. Nestled within an exclusive gated community of just 32 homes, you'll enjoy 24/7 manned security, ensuring unparalleled privacy and peace of mind. And yet, you're just a short walk or golf cart ride away from the beach, upscale shopping, and fine dining. Living here means embracing a lifestyle of distinction, where every detail has been carefully crafted to enhance you and your family's enjoyment. And with Fort Lauderdale International Airport and Las Olas Boulevard, less than 20 minutes away, convenience is always within reach. Experience luxury, serenity, and a place to truly call home. Welcome to the Enclave at Coral Ridge Country Club.